I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy a government house. Many government homes are foreclosures or surplus properties, often sold below market value. Agencies such as HUD, the VA, and the IRS offer these unique opportunities. It's crucial to research available properties through official government websites and understand the specific buying process for each agency. This can be a great way to find a home. Finding these homes requires knowing where to look. HUD homes are typically listed by real estate agents, so connecting with one is key. VA properties, while often associated with veterans, are actually available to all buyers. For IRS and GSA properties, public auctions are the primary method of sale. Always check the official agency websites for the most up-to-date listings and auction information. The purchasing process involves several steps. First, ensure you have financing secured or sufficient cash on hand. For HUD and VA homes, you'll typically submit an offer through a licensed real estate agent. IRS and GSA properties often require participation in a public auction, which can be competitive. Remember, many of these homes are sold as is, so be prepared for potential repairs and renovations. Before you buy, consider a few important points. Always budget for closing costs, which can be several $1,000s, and any necessary renovations. A thorough property inspection is vital to understand the home's condition. Carefully review all terms and conditions of the sale, as they can vary significantly by agency. Finally, working with an experienced real estate professional specializing in government sales can be incredibly beneficial.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.